if it is true that she discovered any irregularity or any unlawful act or scheme, then it was her duty, it is her duty, at the time that she discovered that irregularity, to reveal that to the public and prosecute the people behind it, because she is a public official. Why did she do that? At bakit nag-aantay pa siya ng matagal? Ibig bang sabihin, porket nandun ka sa administrasyon noon, kung anong nakita mong masama, ayaw mong ilabas? Ngayon na nasa labas ka na, gusto mo nang ilabas? That does not speak well with the Vice President. Another thing, why is he taking so long? Dahil ba kasi may nagpiprepare ng iba para sa kanya? Ano yung report na yun? Kasi kung may natuklasan ka kagad, di immediately palagi naman siya nagpe-press con, di sinabi niya na sana. In fact, pinupuri niya nga yung isang rehabilitation center. Meron siya mga papuri Saka whatever nang sinasabi niyang na-discover, open nga, may access nga siya sa lahat ng ICAD. So walang sekreto dun. Saka, it's against common sense. Yung sinasabi niya, meron ba kayong tinatago? Naman, BP Lenny. Kung may tinatago, bakit ka pinonombrahan papapasukin sa loob para matuklasan mo? Ano ba naman yan? Walang common sense doon.
Do you want her to come out with a report as soon as possible time?
Eh, dapat nga, hindi ba? Sinasabi ko, kung totoong meron, bakit hindi niya inilabas noon pa? Dahil ba gumagawa, meron silang ginagawang multong nililika nila?
What do you mean by that, sir?
O, di ba? Kung meron kang natuklasan na masama, dapat inilalabas mo na. Ngayon, kung gagawa ka pa lang ng di umanong natuklasan mo, it will really take time to craft. Matagal, masyado. Matagal naman.
Are you
Diba?
insinuating, sir, that whatever comes out from that report is a fabricated...
Presumably, otherwise kasi nga, ikaw ba, Joseph, kung nandiyan ka sa loob ng gobyerno, head ka ng agency, natuklasan mo may irregularidad, you will keep your mouth shut? Of course not. Immediately, may press con ka, I discovered this, Mr. President, this and that. Eh, ilang araw na yun. Tapos next week pa yata, ano ba yan? Oh.
This government has nothing to hide as far as the drug war is
Of
concerned.
course, kaya nga siya in-appoint precisely para makita niya yung loob. Kaya nga may access siya sa lahat.
All right, sir.
In fact, di ba, I remember yung PNP OIC was it the PNP OIC chief? Oh no, si Aaron Aquino, director, was offering to brief her on some classified information, which she refused.
All right, sir. Thank you.